Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not? Valentine's Day 2 दिन में आ रहा है, so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to create a very beautiful Valentine's Day theme makeup look which I'll be sharing with you guys today along with a very easy hairstyle that goes along with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with makeup first. I tied my hair back and I already did my skincare part, so my skin is nice and moisturized. This is a very important step. Please do not skip on the skincare part. Next, I'm gonna prime my skin. You can use any primer that works for you. This will fill out any large pores and help us to achieve that flawless base. Moving on to the base now, we are not going to use any foundation. I want to keep the base light and skin-like. So instead of foundation, I'll be using Belora BB Natural Anti-Pollution Cream. This has got SPF 30, so perfect for a daytime look and it protects your skin as well. I'm going to apply this much of the product and dot it all over my face. I really like this BB cream because it has a super lightweight formula and it's non-comedogenic, so it lets your skin breathe without clogging your pores. It gives you a very beautiful makeup-like finish while being good to your skin as it has extracts of hyaluronic and mulberry that will deeply hydrate your skin. It also has daisy flower extract and multivitamins like vitamin B and C. It's definitely buildable, so add one more layer if you need more. As I mentioned earlier, it also has SPF 30 with Blue Shield technology to protect your skin against all UV rays and pollution. All Belora cosmetic products are made safe, dermatologically tested, vegan, non-toxic and cruelty-free, which is amazing. This is how my skin looks like after applying the BB cream. I love how it gives a dewy finish and blurs out the imperfection without being heavy or cakey. Next, I'm gonna apply concealer, just 2 dots under the eye area and near the mouth to brighten that area up and blend it all in with my fingers. Powder all the areas where you applied concealer to seal it in place. Next, fill out the eyebrows because it makes a huge difference and I'm going for a natural brow look. Look at the impact, it can definitely change the whole look. Let's move on to the eyes now. For lid, I'm gonna apply Belora Cosmetic in the shade Dragon's Pink. Just dot a very tiny amount and spread it evenly all over your lid. It is a quick drying lipstick, so you have to work quickly, and a good tip is to work on one eye first so it doesn't dry. I'm going for a monochromatic look, and a very good trick is to use lipstick as eyeshadow as well as blush. This lipstick contains jojoba oil, shea butter, sunflower and vitamin E for hydration and extra nourishment. This is how it looks like, such a pretty pink color. Next, I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush and blend the edges so it looks nice and soft. Next, I'm going to use Belora Identity over my lid to create a slight smoky eye effect. Belora Kajal is super pigmented and glides on like butter, and it's waterproof so it stays for a very long time. Apply it from the mid to the end and smudge it slightly using a flat brush to create a faded look. This kajal has carnauba wax which helps it to glide gently and easily, thus making it easy to create smoky eye looks. It also has natural oils and vitamins that nourishes the eye. I feel this much is enough if you're going for a daytime look, but if it's a nighttime look, then make it a little more dark, concentrating at the end. I love how it was so easy to blend Belora Kajal and achieve this smoky look. I'm also going to tightline the top and under the eye to tie the whole look together. Again, using a flat brush and smudging it out. Curl the lashes and apply a generous coat of mascara. Do you also make funny faces while doing this? Comment down below. And the eye makeup is complete. Let's apply blush now. For blush also, I'm gonna apply Belora Cosmetic in the shade Dragon's Pink. Just take a few dots at the back of your hand and tap off the excess. Make sure to blend it very well. If you apply too much, then use a big brush and blend it well. Next, I'm gonna apply some cream bronzer to add some color and give that sun-kissed look. The face is done and I love how it's turned out. Let's complete the look with some lipstick. Moving on to the lips now. Of course, I'm gonna use Belora Leave No Evidence lipstick in the shade Dragon's Pink. It has a doe foot applicator, makes it easy to apply the lipstick, and this is such a beautiful hot pink color. As you can see, the pigmentation is amazing, just one stroke is enough. It's a liquid lipstick with a matte finish and the texture is super lightweight, doesn't feel drying at all. And it's kiss proof, waterproof, and smudge proof, so it stays for a very long time. And the look is complete. The lipstick, I love how it's a statement in this look and ties the whole look together. It's super comfortable on the lips and not drying at all. All the products will be linked in the description down below, and use my code Shruti15 to get 15% off on your purchase. Let's quickly move on to the hair now. First, decide which side you want your hair to be, left or right side. I like volume, so I think left side is best. It's giving me volume. Next, use any statement clip you have, and then using 4 fingers, pull the hair back and then secure it using the statement clip. I'm using this beautiful pearl one, and that's it. That's the complete look. I love how this hairstyle is so simple and quick, yet so pretty and edgy. Definitely gives me the 90s vibe.
I've been sitting on the sidelines, watching bad boys break your heart. You know I've always been there for you, with a million ways to make you smile. Describe your perfect man for me, like someone honest, loyal, smart, and is good to you. Yeah, why can't you see that's me?
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below, are you guys gonna recreate this look for your Valentine's Day? And all the product links will be in the description down below, don't worry about it. I really like Bellora cosmetic products because it has amazing ingredients that doubles up as skincare, plus it's non-toxic and cruelty free. Look at the packaging, isn't it super cute? With that said, don't forget to like, share and comment down below. What video do you want me to do next? And the comment shout out goes to Riya Dudalkar. Riya, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.